Not operator with the if statement. So far we have done the AND operator, OR operator. Now we are going to talk about the NOT operator. Let me solve some example for the if statement by using NOT operator, not logical operator. Example number 1. For example, I have two variables. One is gas emission equals to true and deforestation equals to false. If gas emission and not deforestation, then take the printf environment is safe. You will get your final output environment is safe. This will be the answer. This is going to be the final output. Look at here, I have two variables. One is gas emission and the second one is deforestation. Gas emission equals to true and deforestation equals to false. Now, when you look to the first condition, if gas emission is true and not deforestation means that deforestation is false. We have used two operators here, two logical operators. One is AND and the other is NOT. So when it comes to the AND operator, we already know that both of the terms, both of the statements must be true, must be satisfied. So the first one is satisfied. If gas emission equals to true, it is true. But what about the second one? The second one is AND NOT deforestation. And not deforestation means that deforestation is false. It is true because deforestation equals to false. If we only use AND deforestation, that will be not satisfied because simple deforestation means that deforestation equals to true. But since we have not deforestation, which means that not deforestation is false, which is exactly true here because we make deforestation variable equals to false. Both of the terms are true. They are satisfied. Both of the statements are satisfied. Therefore, the program will execute this part, and you will see this print expression. You will see this line in the final output. It will be printed. Environment is safe. Environment is safe. It is just a simple expression. You can put anything. You can express anything here inside the double quotes. So whatever you write inside the double quotes, it will be printed in the final output. Let me repeat it again. We have two variables. We have two identifiers. We have two placeholders. One is gas emission and the other is deforestation. Gas emission equals to true. Deforestation equals to false. Now, when it comes to the condition, if gas emission means that gas emission is true. Yes, absolutely right, because we make gas emission equals to true. So the first statement, the first term is satisfied, it is true. But what about the second one? The second one is AND not deforestation. And not deforestation. Not deforestation means that deforestation is false. It is just another way to express deforestation equals to false. Nothing is difficult. If you write deforestation equals to false or not deforestation, it is absolutely one thing. Deforestation equals to false means that deforestation is false. Not deforestation means that no deforestation, which means that deforestation equals to false. But since we have AND operator, so for the AND operator, both of the terms, both of the statements must be true. Yes, both of the terms are true. They are satisfied. The first one is satisfied, it equals to true. The second one is satisfied. Not deforestation means deforestation equals to false. If you put true here, deforestation equals to true here, then the second term will be false. But since we have false, therefore it is satisfied. So both of the terms are satisfied. Therefore the program will run it and will print this expression here in the final output. Make sure when you put colons and then press the enter button, your next line will start from here. So whatever thing comes under this condition, under this choice, under this condition will depend on the condition. If the condition is true, all this thing will be printed. If the condition is false, if it is not satisfied, everything will be ignored below the condition. So this print function depends on the above condition. If it is true, it will be printed. Otherwise, it will not be printed. So since it is true, because both of the statements are true, therefore, this print function will be printed here. Environment is safe. This will be the final output here. Example number 2. Gas emission equals to true. Deforestation equals to true. If gas emission and not deforestation, then check the printf environment is not safe. When you run it, you will get no result in the final output. Why? What is the reason? Look, we took the same example here with the same variables, gas emission and deforestation, but this time we make deforestation equals to true. Last time we had deforestation equals to false. Gas emission is true, deforestation is true. If gas emission and not deforestation, then you have to print environment is not safe. Look, the first term is satisfied because gas emission equals to true. It is true. But what about the second one? The second one is not deforestation. We have used not logical operator, remember. Not deforestation means that deforestation equals to false. No deforestation. Deforestation is false. But since here the deforestation equals to true, therefore there is a big contrast. So the second choice is not satisfied. The second term is not satisfied because not deforestation means that deforestation equals to false. So it is not true because deforestation equals to true here. It is not satisfied. So one term is satisfied, gas emission equals to true, but the second term is not satisfied. If you put here false, then we'll be satisfied, but since we have true here, therefore not deforestation means that false. So the second term is not satisfied. For the AND operator, we know that both of the terms, both of the statements must be satisfied. One is satisfied, the second one is not satisfied. Therefore, the program will not execute this term. It will ignore. You won't see this expression printed in the final output because it is not satisfied. The program will ignore it. Therefore, when you run it, you won't get any result. It won't show any result in the final output. So we have no result here because it is only if statement. It is a one-way decision. There is no other choice where the program will jump to the second choice. If it is true, it will be executed. If it is not true, it won't show any result in the final output. Since it is not true, therefore you won't see any result here. So we have used AND operator and NOT operator here in this example. I hope you got the point now.